First of all, I will explain how to access the NIG Supercomputer from a Mac and Linux. Launch the terminal application. Use the SSH keygen command to create a key pair. Here, a SCID-RSA file is created as the private key, and the SCID-RSA.pub file is created as the public key. For security reasons, the NIG Supercomputer does not allow password login. We also recommend that you set a passphrase for your key pair in case your laptop is lost. When registering the public key to the NIG Supercomputer, display and copy the created public key's contents. Paste it into the public key registration form on the NIG Supercomputer website and send it. When you register the public key, you can SSH login to the gateway node using the private key that pairs with the registered public key. You should not perform computation on the gateway node. To perform your computations, execute the qlogin command to log in to the login node. Next, I will explain how to access the NIG Supercomputer by using Windows PowerShell. To use the SSH command from Windows PowerShell, you need to install SSH client in your Windows. The essential operation is the same, except the file path formats are different.